Hello student, how are you? I hope you are fine. You have already seen my video related to if statement that you see here on screen and the simple program and how to install MinGW. We have courses related to Java and Python. Kindly subscribe our channel so you'll get more video like this. Syntax of switch case statement. We write switch and we write here expression oblique variable curly bracket case constant value colon state and break, then case again constant value colon statement break. The same way we write down case statement, last we write default. This is the syntax of switch case. Here expression of variable can be of character type or integer type. Suppose a equal 1. This is one statement. So we write down switch a curly bracket case. If it is 1, then we write down printf 1 break case 2 printf 2 case 3 printf 3, and similarly we write down up to case 9 printf 9, and then we write default printf out of range and the curly bracket close. Now keep in mind the value of a is 1 will match here and the 1 will be printed, and there is a break statement. Control will be transferred to after the switch case. Suppose if I give the value of a equal suppose 2, then it will match here, it will print 2. Since there is no break statement, it will print 3. Since there is no break statement, it will keep on falling through. Next case, because break statement not given. That's why we have to use break statement. What we have to do, we have to write here break. We have to write here break. We have to write here break. You follow? So this is what is there. Switch statement. This is equivalent to if statement. Also, like just see here, if a equal 1 printf 1, else if a equal 2 printf 2, and so on. Do you follow? What is the switch case statement? Now we will use the switch case statement through program, I'll explain you. Click on Visual Studio Code. Click on this plus icon. I write here vowels str.c. The program I'm going to do is this: input a string and find number of vowels, make use of switch statement. So I copied this question, I paste it here. Hash include stdio.h int main curly bracket. I have to input a string. The string name I take str1 of 100 character. This is how we declare declaration of a string, array of character. And I take one variable I, another variable count, value 0. I have taken this value. Then I write down printf enter a string. And whenever we take a string which contains a space, we take gets. So get str1. So we have taken a string. Now we have to extract one character from the very beginning. So we write down while loop, while str1 I not equal to null character \0, because the string has got null value. So I write one variable k and I store str1 I in k. Otherwise I have to write str again and again. And I use this k as single character. Switch k. Case, if it is a, if it is a e, if it is a I, if it is a I, O, it is a U. If it is a I, O, U in capital, as well as, I'll copy that down. If it is a small, E small, and I small, and O small, and U. If it is A, I, O, U in capital and small, then we have to write count plus plus. The count initial value is 0, so it will count. Switch case I have written. After switch case, this is while loop. We have to check another character. I have written I plus plus. So first, from the string, we have checked whatever character in the 0 position. Then we increase the value of I. Now it will take in 1 position. Then it will take in 2 position, and it will continue till we encounter null value. After this curly bracket of while, we write down printf vowels appears %d times, and we write here count. Semicolon. So this is the program or finding vowels from the string. You follow? Now we execute. Let me see once again whether I declare all variable. Here I have done, I count, it's okay. So we execute this program. Enter string. I reckon welcome. Welcome to Taj Mahal. Vowels appear 7 times. 7 vowels are there in welcome to Taj Mahal. So this is the program of finding vowels using switch case. I hope you have understood. We'll see the another program now. Click on plus icon, new file, and we are going to write switch example. So I write the program name switch exam.c. Here I will write this question. Input any operator plus minus into slash percentage and the two number from the user and find sum, difference, product, quotient and remainder. Make use of switch case statement. So I'll copy it. I write this here. This is my program. Okay. So here I write hash include stdio.h int main curly bracket. I declare two variable num1 comma num2 and I take another variable called result to store sum, difference and product. I take one character variable to store operator. I write on printf enter operator plus minus into slash percent. To type percent you have to use 2 times percent you have to write down. Then semicolon scanf %c for character and we have used ampersand ch. Then I write down printf enter first number semicolon scanf %d because number is integer ampersand num1. I have input one number, I'll copy it out, Control C, Control V, and I write down here enter second number. And here the variable is num2. I write down switch ch curly bracket case. If it is a plus sign we have to find sum. So result equal num1 plus num2 semicolon. Then we have written break. I'll copy it out because I have to write same statement again and again. We have control B, control B, control B. Here I have to write minus, here I have to write into, and here we have slash, and one more I have to write percentage. If it is plus, you have to do plus. Case is plus, then you have to do sum. Case is minus, then you have to subtract. Then minus, case is into, you have to multiply. And it is slash, you have to do slash. And it is a percentage, you have to give the remainder. And the switch case is over. We have to write break statement so it does not fall to another case. Printf, double quotation, backslash n for new line. First we have to write number, then I write %d, then I have to write operator, I write %c, then I have to write number, I do %d, then I write equal sign, then number %d. First place, here, in this place, we have to print num1 value. So I have written here num1, then I have num1, and here I have to write down ch, then I have to write down num2, then I have to write result, and semicolon. So this is our program. I run this program. It is being compiled. Enter operator. So I have given the operator plus, enter, I have given 123 and 23. So you follow? This is the sum of the number, the output we have got it. Now what I'll do, I run again. I have given minus sign, I have given 567 minus 67 equal to 500. Okay. Suppose I want to do, take out the remainder, I write %, I written 34 divided by 3 equal 1. 1 is the remainder. So this way this work out, you can test it yourself. So this is all input statement, this is declaration, and this is switch case. If the ch value is plus, the control will fall here, and this calculation will be done, and the break statement bring this result here. The same way, if it's a minus, it will do like this. It will execute this statement and control will come here. So this is what all about switch case in this example. We'll see another example. Now we'll study another program where we'll input month number 1 to 12 and we'll print how many days are there. In case of second month, we'll calculate leap year whether the second month, February, has got 28 days or 29 days. So this program I've already made. It is a function of the leap year I have made. This I'll explain you when I bring function topic for you. I made just to calculate whether the year has got 29 days or 28 days. I have input year and input month. If the month value is, if it is 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 12, the number of days is 31. You follow? Because this month has got 31 days. If it is a 4, 6, 9 and 11, number of days 30. If it is a leap year, we return 1, otherwise 0. If it is 1, the number of days 29, otherwise is a 28. And the default we have written out of range. Now we run this program, enter the year. I give 2010. Month 2. 2 month has got 28 days because 2010 is not a leap year. I enter 2020 and I give 2. 2 month has got 29 days. Is a calculation of the leap year. And I give 2020 and I enter and I give 11. The November month has got 30 days. So this program I have done using switch case. You can pause the video and note down how we have done switch case statement